Ruby said. Do you think you can be the best soccer player next year?
Yes, if I practice a lot.
Do you have a girlfriend?
Yes.
What's her name?
I can't remember.
Why are you so small?
Because I got hurt in like 10 years old when I was in soccer or something.
Okay. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Colin. We have this special guest. Come outside!
Over. No, no. Hey, what are you doing?
I'm gonna ask you some questions.
Okay.
What is the reason you got famous?
Because of Gangnam Style.
Why did you invent horse dance?
I didn't invent it. Someone teach me. I taught me.
How old are you?
I can't remember. I'm so old.
Where were you born?
Born? I can't remember. Too.
Why are you so fat?
Because I like chicken and don't want to move.
Okay.
Hello, my name is John. Today here is special guest. Choosing to come out. Do you like your teams? Yes. How many home runs did you have in the 2012 season? I have 16 home runs. Do you want to come play baseball in Korea? Yes. Why do you want to come to Korea? Because I like to play at Korea baseball. What's your favorite team in Korea? My favorite team is Samsung. Thank you. Hello, my name is Kevin. Today we have a special guest. Matteo, come out. I have no question. When were you born? I born 1993. Where have you lived? I live in Daegu. How many goals did you score in the 2007 season? I scored three times. How can you play soccer so well? Because my father teach me well. Who was your first soccer coach? My first soccer coach is my father. Thank you. Hello everyone. Today we have a fantastic guest. Do you know who is J.K. Rowling? Come out. Hello J.K. Rowling.
Hello.
I have a few questions for you. Can you answer them?
Okay.
First, what is your real name?
My real name is Joanne Catherine Rowling.
Well, that is very wrong.
Yes, it is.
Next, I heard you wrote the first Harry Potter book at a cafe. Where was it?
It is called the Elephant House.
What did you eat there?
I don't remember.
Thank you, J.K. Rowling.
Hello, I'm the host. We'll have an amazing guest. Give me a nod, come out. Hello, Kim Yana.
Hi.
I'll have some questions for you. First, what Olympics did you have a gold medal?
There are so many gold medals. In 2010, I got a medal and there are more.
When did you start skating?
I started skating when I was 7.
Okay, what is your blood type?
My blood type is O.
What university did you go to?
I went to the Goryeo University.
Wow, that university is famous.
That's right.
Thank you, Kim Yona.
Hello, I'm host Ruby. Please give to class for IU. IU, come up. Hello, IU.
Hi.
Hello, singers. First, can you introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Luigi and I'm 20 years old. And I'm born on 1993, March 16.
Wow, do you use SNS?
Yes, I do. I started Twitter
audition?
I did it more than 10 times.
Wow, what was your feeling when you was doing auditions?
It was really bad and ashamed.
What? How many awards did you get?
I got 5 awards.
What is your song style?
I have ballad, dance, and pop rock.
Thank you for interviewing IU. Goodbye.
Bye. Hi, here is What's an English Style Show. Today we have a special guest. Liam, please come out. Hi, the weirdest girl in the world. Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, I'm born in 1990 and my group is Girls' Generation. And my entertainment is SM Entertainment and my blood type is O type.
Do you have any sisters or brothers?
Yes, I have one sister. My sister name is Chesudin and she is a musical actor.
When did you debut?
I debuted in 2002.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is all of the Girls' Generation members.
What is your sign?
My sign is Aquarius.
What is your hobby and what subject are you good at?
I'm good at Japanese and my hobby is singing.
Whoa, that's good. Thank you for watching What's an English Town Show. Goodbye.
Thank you.